karanjetlilive.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Right now I am in Jawa dealership Jalandhar, which is right behind me. So guys, I am here to get my exhaust upgraded. So we are going to fix Red Rooster performance exhaust on my Jawa 42. So guys, for the full video, all of you stay tuned. So guys, this is the sound with the stock exhaust. So guys, these are the Red Rooster exhausts which we are going to install on our Java 42. So guys, we replaced the exhaust on both the sides. Now some minor adjustments here and there, and in the next part of the video we are going to test the sound. So guys, I hope you like the sound of our upgraded exhausts. So if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, and all of you, thanks for watching and stay tuned.